Alright, it's only been like 2 weeks. It's fine. A lot can happen in 2 weeks, I guess. But last time I was here, I missed something. Like, I wasn't supposed to leave yet. Supposed to secure the area, huh? Oh, good. Let's do the bullshit.
Oh boy, I can't wait to secure the area.
Also, I have a new soundbar. I don't know if it's going to sound different, or if it's going to be too loud or not, so... Oh, literally shut the fuck up. Just... I might be a little rusty. Actually, I'm doing just fine. Thank you, fuck in the ass. Thank you. Goodbye. Goodbye. It might work better if you shot at them and not the fucking ground first. I need like an anti-tank ranged weapon. It's kind of hard to hit him with this fucking thing, even though I just did it. I don't know what kind of pace I want to try to set for this game, because it'd be a lot better if there was someone else. There's so much dog shit in my throat. It'd be a lot better if there was someone else here to talk, because that makes content actually enjoyable to watch. Because as you know, I don't exactly edit my content. Not unless I really have to. It's not that I wouldn't, I just don't really have time, unfortunately. I have a lot of shit going on in my life right now. But, I don't know. Am I supposed to be shooting anything in particular? I'm glad the turret controller not nearly as difficult as the last few games. Oh, piss off. Die times a trillion, man. What the fuck? I recently ordered Frogger for PS2 to play with some friends, so look forward to that. That game's supposed to be fucking horrible. I initially got one at Zia Records. I was really excited because, like, hey, it's local. And they sold me a shit copy. It was scratched to hell. You know, it happens, so... I took it back. They gave me a refund for it. They were nice enough to do that. I go in, I pick up a different game. I'm going to check it out. I'm like, alright, well... Before I take it home, do you mind if I look at it? You know, I pop open the disc and kind of look at it. And they're like, yeah, sure, that's fine. I totally understand. And, the game I had was called, like, American Chopper or something. It looked really stupid. And, oh, shit. It was literally, like, $2. It was bargain bin, like, mold at the bottom of the container. Like, that's That's what that was. Anyways, I asked to look at it and it was completely fucked as well. So it's 2 for 2. And now I'm really skeptical of any discs I get there. My movies have been fine. I haven't had any problems with the movies. I have a shit ton of Blu-rays. Which maybe I'll make a video on at some point. That's a pretty pointless but interesting video. Oh, fuck. Ooh, hello. I still can't charge with it. Once I can charge with this thing, I think it's V5, it starts getting insane. If you, when you charge it, it spits out a beam, and you can spin around with that beam, and you can hit an enemy twice with it, with one piece of ammo. And it's a pretty intense piece of damage, too. I think you might even be able to do it 3 times if you're fast enough, but I don't know about that. Hello, light infantry, and I guess you're medium infantry. God, I really would love 3D printed Tyrannoids. Alright, please let that be it. Oh, fuck. Yeah, just let me do this stupid fucking... Just get this thing out of the way, and then... Where? Yeah, that's great. Let me get it. Oh, you're fucking fucked. Oh, you son of a bitch. Don't you dare. Okay, you're fine. I respect that, and by respecting that, I'm gonna kill you. No! Thank you. Goodbye. Yeah, I know. I need health really bad, actually. Would love if there was health. There's health. Yes. Alright. Tyrannoid. Fucking Tyrannoids. Oh no. I like this shotgun. It does do decent damage up close. Nice.
Agent Clank? You're even more impressive in person than you are on the holovid. And I must say, I've never seen a chauffeur fight like you do, son. Who says you can't find good help these days, right, Clank? Sasha's told me a lot about you. Don't get any ideas, kid. She is way out of your league. Sasha filled me in on the Quark situation. I'm told the man thinks he's a monkey.
He has lost his memory, sir.
Well, then we'll simply have to find it for him. We need our star player back in the game ASAP. Is that understood?
Yes, sir.
My daughter tells me you're a man who's good with his hands, Ratchet.
Sir, I swear I never...
The city's laser shield went down during the attack. Now, we are defenseless without it. I sent out a repairman to fix it, but he disappeared. I need you to get that shield system back online.
Yes, sir. We're on it.
Whatever you say, old man.
Yeah. You say so. Is this light enough for you? I hope it's light enough for you. Because if it ain't, I don't know what I'm gonna tell you. I don't know. Please don't get that. Okay. Oh my god? See, the storm would be nice range, but, well, it would be ranged, period. It wouldn't be nice range. Alright, I gotta do this shit. Yes. Oh, do not tell me I just crashed. Alright, getting on while I try to resolve this. Okay, so I got back here. Oh, that's cool. That's a really cool inclusion to have. Thanks. I'm glad that my timer didn't go off literally seconds ago. Fuck. Right, whatever. I don't know why I crashed, but I did. Yeah, so that does not begin. Oh my god. It lagged for a second there, it scared me. There you go. That's how you do that shit. And there's nothing over here. Die. And die. What? Oh, let me see. You killed yourself. This is an unsettling noise. Good job. You can use these on these guys, I'm pretty sure. It's kind of silly. Yeah, I like it. It's a one I like. Here we go, and let's go. Okay. I've stolen 3 of those fuckers to the face. Alright, that's cool. On Roger. What is the purpose of this building? See, one of the reasons I kind of don't love this game as much as the second one is a lot of the places and like atmosphere just don't feel like they have a purpose. Like there's cool things in them, but ultimately they just don't have any payoff. Like, what is the purpose of this room? This is a room with nothing in it. You know, I don't want the locations I'm in to be a place that hero goes through once and never comes back to the city. trying to do? Oh, I see. It's kind of cute. Doesn't make a lot of sense, but it's cute. God, I love the plasma whip. It's just the best. What level of horse shit is going on here? Alright. What we got? What we got? Please? Okay. Like, I still don't really know what the purpose of this building is. Nope. Ouch. This is the room where we have the other set of laser traps. Oh my god, I need to start running. Bruh. Excuse me, sir. Fuck you. Please, God, in my torment.
It's Al. Got the shields up yet?
Silence! I am concentrating.
What the? That's a Quark Bit comic.
Excuse me. It is a historically accurate interactive graphic novel.
How can you use the city's defense network to play a video game?
Simple. I bypassed the security server with a 626 hex matrix adapter and reprogrammed the graphics subprocessor.
Great.
No, I mean...
Great.
Clank, you speak, nerd.
It appears you have a feedback loop in the induction coils of your DB3 signal processor.
Impossible! I ran a recursive checksum on the signal matrix. Hey, there is a feedback loop. I don't know what.
May we borrow this vid comic?
Treat it gently. It is a first edition.
Perhaps this will help restore Quark's memory.
Nice of you to just hand out your first edition shoe. Also, I hate the vid comics. It breaks the pace of the game so badly. Alright. With that, I'm going to conclude today's episode. I'm super tired. I'm gonna lay down. Pass away and turn into like rocks, and ash and dirt and bone, blood and bone. Did you walk through blood and bone on that day, on that fateful day? Did you?